All right, everyone. We're going to do add two numbers, LeetCode medium today. So full disclosure, this is my second attempt after, I tried it, I got close, wasn't able to finish it. I think it's because there's a few edge cases I was missing, but I think I have a good understanding now, so let's figure it out right now. So just overview. So two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. They're stored in reverse order, so it's like ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So that's useful for us. And each node contains a single digit. So in this case, 243 and 564, those are actually 342 and 465. So you do ones, add the ones, it's 7. Add the tens, it's actually 10, which means you carry a 1 and you have a carry, and then you do 3 4s, 7 plus the carry is 8. So first we're going to make the new list, and I'd like to do a result pointer to track the new list's head, and eventually you're going to return result.next. Right, so while L1 does not equal null, or L2 does not equal null. So once they both are null, then we finally break. Is what we'll do. And we need to have the carry. So we'll set a default carry of 0. So it's possible that each node could be null, but the other one isn't. And in this scenario right here, so the fifth one is 9. There's a null here. So if it's null, we want it to be, and in this case, we would have a carry. So we would be 9 plus the carry is 10. So 9 plus a default value of 0 in this case. So we'll set that. So int val1 is equal to L1 is not equal to null. We'll do some a ternary operator. So if it's not null, then we'll do L1.val. Otherwise, we'll do 0. And we'll do the same for val2. Oops, L2.val, otherwise it's 0. Okay, so now that we have the values, so we'll make the int val is equal to val1 plus val2 plus the carry. So now we're going to set the new carry. So carry is equal to, if we just do val divided by 10, would get us the val, or it would get us the carry. For example, 9 divided by 10 would equal to 0. There's no carry. Or 11 divided by 10 would equal to 1. Because it goes in at one time. That's integer math. And then we're also going to set the val because we don't want it to be the full value. We don't want it to be like, let's say it adds up to 11 in this case. It adds up to 10. 4, 6 adds up to 10. We don't want it to be 10 here. What we want is the 0 value, and then we carry the 1. So we'll set val is equal to this. So now we can add it to the added list. So added.next is equal to a new list node with the val, and then we will move added over to the next value, and then we will assign L1 and L2. So L1 is going to equal L1 next, but if L1 is already null, we have to check that again. So we have to check L1 does not equal to null. If it's not equal to null, then we'll do L1.next. Otherwise, we'll put null. Just give it null. Same with L2. We have to check if it's not equal to null. And if it is equal to null, we'll set it equal to null. And just keep it null as it continues in the iteration. And there is a bit of an edge case here. So in this case, if we have a carry at the front, we can use an example of this where it's like 7 and it's 8. So we know that's going to equal to 15. but it would be 1 and 5. So, well, actually be 5 and 1, right? 15. Um, so the thing is we would get this, but we wouldn't have the carry value because null, they would both be null on the second iteration, and we wouldn't add a node, but our carry would be 1. So we'll do a quick check here. Or we can do it in a ternary. So added, let's just do it if carry is equal to 1, right? Sorry, added dot next is equal to new list node of the carry. And then we'll just return the next from the result because that's the head of added, and head of added, like I mentioned above, is 0. So returning the next value. And yeah, that's accepted. Thanks.